Welcome to another edition of Ask Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy. Today's question comes from Samantha from New Jersey, United States. And she asks, she owns a small business here in New Jersey and she wishes to know how could she leverage Instagram to promote her small business. Yes, Samantha, Instagram, which is another tool from the Facebook family, could be highly beneficial for your business. You should certainly use Instagram's power of those images and post stories about your businesses. And you should also leverage the customer success side of the things and share it with people at large. You haven't mentioned that what sort of business you are into. However, if you are into products or e-commerce offerings, then posting your products could be of great benefits to you as well. And you are in luck because my colleague Anthony has recently created a very detailed course which talks about Instagram optimization and how brands could leverage, and along with small businesses, Instagram's power. So I would highly recommend you that course. You should definitely go to academy.appy.com and subscribe to that course. And I'm also taking the liberty of attaching those lessons for you, which specifically talks about how a brand or a small business could leverage Instagram for their small business.
Hello and welcome back. So one more thing that I do recommend for the link in your Instagram bio is to use a link shortener so that you can track the clicks to that link and also earn a little bit of money when people do click the link. So to do that, I recommend this one website called Shorty ST. So it's like shortest, but the last two letters ST are after the dot. So SHORTE.ST. And then sign up, and once you signed up, sign in, and all you have to do is type in the URL that you want to shorten it, and you'll get a shortened URL. As you can see, I've done a few down here. So the shortened one looks like this: ceesty.com/ or gestyy.com/, and then you want to paste that into your Instagram bio instead of the actual URL. Okay, so for example, if I type in www.blackbricktraining.co.uk, our main website, and click shorten, we have our shortened URL just here. So I'll copy that. You can either click copy here or you can select it and copy it. I'm just going to click copy, and then all you need to do is log into Instagram and paste that straight into your Instagram bio, where your Instagram bio link will go. Now what you will do then is whenever someone clicks on that from your Instagram bio, you will have a amount of views and then you'll have a certain amount of income. So as you can see, this is the one we've just created, blackbricktraining.co.uk. You can delete them just by clicking this bin here, but I'm not going to do that. And you can edit them by clicking that magnifying glass icon, and it will just show the entire link for you. So that's the original link, and then the shortened link shows the gestyy.com/ and then random letters, numbers, that sort of thing. So as you can see, you get the date you created the link, the amount of times that link's being viewed, and the amount of income that link has created. It doesn't make very much money at all. This isn't really for helping make money, this just helps to make a little bit on the side really. As you can see, this just has 0.0004, so that's not very much at all. This one's 0.008, so 0.0008, sorry, and so it doesn't make much money. It's just really to help you track the amount of times it's been clicked. And it's really awesome to see how many times people have clicked it, because then you know how useful the link actually is. How many times people will view your Instagram profile and actually click on the link in your bio. So yeah, it's really helpful to know. You can then copy it by clicking this just here, and then share it with Twitter or Google Plus by just clicking these little buttons here. So yeah, you can also share it to wherever you want. So I'm just going to click F11, then you can see the full website in the full screen. So all you need to do is go to the main website, homepage, paste in the URL you want to copy. So as you can see, that's one of the ones that you've already made. If I type in Black Brick Training, once again, www.blackbricktraining, as you can see, and then if I click shorten, it will then bring up the link and you will get the link down here. You can copy it, you can earn a little bit of income from it. There you go. So as you can see, you need to earn at least $5 for PayPal and web money, and if you want to earn it through Payoneer, you have to earn at least $20. So it will take a while to actually start earning a lot, depending on how many times it gets clicked, of course, but this is a really helpful website to use. It's super quick, it's super easy, and of course it shortens the links, tracks the links for you, the amount of times they're clicked, and then earns you a little tiny bit of money for each time people click it as well, because ads are placed on the screen which is shown. So yeah, that is absolutely awesome. So that's that. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot. Today I'm going to tell you what Instagram is, so let's get straight into it. What is this trendy app called Instagram, which all the kids seem to be into these days? It's been around for years, quietly picking up traction, mostly thanks to everyone's obsession with photos and social media platforms which are new, stylish and sleek. So don't feel embarrassed to ask if you have absolutely no clue what it's all about. An intro to Instagram. Instagram is a social networking app made for sharing photos and videos from your smartphone. Similar to Facebook or Twitter, everyone who creates an Instagram account has a profile and a newsfeed. When you post a photo or video on Instagram, it will be displayed on your profile. Other users who follow you will also see this in their own feed. Likewise, you'll see posts from other users who you have already followed. Pretty straightforward, right? It's just a simplified version of Facebook. But the key focus is mobile use and visual sharing. Just like the other social networks, you can interact with other users on Instagram by following them, being followed by them, commenting, liking, tagging and private messaging. So yeah, that's the basics. Devices that work with Instagram. Instagram is available for free on iOS or iPhone and Android devices. It can also be accessed via the web from a computer, but mainly people stick to using it on their smartphones. Instagram stands out from other social networks because they focus on images and videos, and on those images and videos you can apply fun filters and edit your posts as well. So yeah, that's all you need to learn about the app right now. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you are looking forward to the rest of this course. I'll see you in the next video. So, why should you be using Instagram? Let's have a look at the Instagram business website to help you answer that question. So, why Instagram? People come to Instagram to be inspired and to discover things that they care about, which includes content from brands and businesses. There's over 15 million business profiles worldwide on Instagram, and over 1 million advertisers worldwide that use Instagram to share their stories and drive business results. 60% of people say that they discover new products on Instagram, so it's a great place to promote your products. And 75% of Instagrammers say that they take an action after being inspired by a post. And that could be an action of purchasing a product or just subscribing to a YouTube channel. But as you can see, an action is an action. There is an 80% increase in time spent watching a video on Instagram, and 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. So that shows that businesses and brands are perfect to join Instagram. Of course, starting your Instagram account is quick and easy. We're not going to go over that. And you can get recognized as a business through here, make your business account easily, and creating your account. And it's all simple on this website for you to follow. So this is just a quick video saying why you should be using Instagram, and a quick few figures which I've just been talking about with you, just to prove that Instagram is perfect for you, your brand, your personal brand, your professional brand, your business, your products, your services, and everything you want to put on Instagram is perfect, okay? There's loads and loads of people on here, over 15 million business profiles alone, so that just goes to show there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of millions of personal profiles that will be finding your business profile and following you and purchasing your products through Instagram. Why should you use Instagram to grow your brand or business? Well, the fact that Instagram has over 300 million daily active users is a huge point to start with. Instagram has an insanely huge potential for marketers, but the potential in Instagram lies more in the user behavior than the numbers themselves. Instagrammers love to connect with brands. Research shows that brands enjoy a number of distinct benefits and advantages on this social network. Instagram brands enjoy regular engagement with 4% of their total followers. On networks like Facebook and Twitter, engagement is less than 0.1%. Research shows that over 70% of Instagram users have searched for a brand or business on the platform. 62% of users follow a brand or business on Instagram. Only 36% of marketers use Instagram compared to the 93% of marketers who use Facebook. So get in there now and start before everyone else. Social media has been proven to influence purchase decisions, and if you can find the right mix of content, your audience will soak it up and possibly even buy from you, without the need of an insane sales pitch. This is the marketer's dream. Still need convincing? The numbers and research above all sound great, But what are the marketers, the main people who use Instagram to drive sales to their business, actually saying about the platform? Here's what marketers from brands like Birchbox and Ben & Jerry's have to say about the platform. Since its launch, Instagram has provided us with an amazing platform to connect with our fans and tell our story visually. Digital Marketing Manager of Ben & Jerry's. Instagram has been an incredibly effective engagement driver among our current customers. That was from the Director, Social Marketing and Content Strategy at Birchbox. So yeah, there you can see it. Now you know that it's perfect for brands and businesses to join Instagram to promote their products and services.
Hi Samantha, I think you liked what my colleague Anthony had to say about Instagram. If you need more information about other forms of marketing, be it App Store marketing or it would be search engine optimization, do subscribe to our channel. And whenever we post more such informative and marketing driven videos, you will definitely get an alert. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter.